Hi all. In the last session, I explained how to create CDS view with join. Now, in this session, I'll be explaining how to create associations. First of all, this question comes to mind, why we create CDS view. CDS view we create in Eclipse, we do not directly access. Okay, business user do not have direct access to the CDS view. They will be either consumed by above program, Fiori apps, or BI front-end tools. Take an example. You created one CDS view with 10 tables and you have a join condition. When you call the CDS view, consume the CDS view, all the joins will be executed. Every time you are going to access the CDS view, all the join will be executed. Even the business does not want all the columns from all the tables. If in my CDS view, I want 20 fields from 10 tables. Okay, all 10 tables join, that's fine. In another request, I want only data from 2 tables, but I have 10 tables in the join condition. It doesn't matter. Even if you need fields from 2 tables, because you have joined on the 10 tables, the join will be executed. Then it is a performance hit because this will delay the data fetching from CDS. SAP has come up with a solution of it that is called join on demand in short, which is the name of association. Association is nothing but join on demand. When you want, you get the data. Unless you want the data, let's not perform the join. That's the concept of association. Okay. When we connect, when we go for association, we come with a concept of cardinality. There are different types of cardinality. So can be 0 to 1, 0 to n, 0 to anything. Similarly, the cardinality can be 1 to 0, 1 to n, and 1 to anything. If you're confused which cardinality to use in association, basically you can use association 1. This will trigger an outer join. Okay, it will work because it's outer join association. So this is cardinality. Now understand what is association. Join on demand. It will join those tables we are interested to get the data. Based on the request, the join will be triggered, even if not like irrespective of number of columns from tables we want, join performed for all the tables. Here it is not. Let's get a CDS view with association and we'll see how it is working, how we are writing, what is the syntax. Let me get a CDS view, core data services, select data definition. Finish. Okay, actually I could have chosen the definition. Here, view we know, view with join already explained, view with association this time. Click on Phillips. I am selecting the template so that the basic syntax is there. We can already prepare. The SQL view name, I can write this association SQL, and similarly I select from this, and for the join we are writing inner join. You can see for the join what we are writing, I select from inner join. Here we write I select from association, and default association is always selected 1. You can see the association name starts with underscore. You can give any name. There is no restriction, but SAP recommends as per the naming convention to give underscore. Let me give the data from first table. Okay, select from S flight, and second table. Second table you connect as SPFLI as flights. See the difference is now I'm getting association to another table, and I'm giving underscore. This is the naming convention. Please follow that. On condition is my table is SF char ID equal to my second table, which is in association char ID. Okay. Now it start putting the field names. So my key is SF dot char ID. I can copy paste because I've already created. I can copy paste all those fields. No need to type again. Fine. So, and next is I'll create the association name directly here. What is the association name? Is flights. That's all. I'm done. Defined view. We're selecting from one table and association to another table and connected with association. Okay. This is called public association or exposed association. Okay. It will not create any join beforehand. If it is needed, it will show. Otherwise, it will not show. That means if you are running this CDS view, seeing the output, only these many fields will be shown. It will not show any fields from the flight. When it will show fields from flight, on this output, you right click and follow this association. Then the corresponding fields from flight, all the fields from flight will be displayed. And where is the condition? This data will be displayed and the key is char ID. When you right click and see the go to association, then based on each char ID, corresponding information from flight should be displayed because both are connected with char ID. We'll see that. Let's activate. Run it. You can see only up to seats max is shown. You can see up to seats max, nothing from flights, because this flights table has airport from airport to, but it didn't display. You can see didn't display. That means if you right click on and follow the association, if you right click on the data, follow the association, then it will navigate to the other table. Now the join will happen. Initially, when the data is shown, join didn't happen. Now the join will happen. You can see for that, you can see airport from airport to the second table data came. What have we understood now? So whenever you try to consume the CDS view at the first instance, only these many fields shown. No field from the association is shown. But on the output, when right click and to see the follow the association, we can see the data from this flight. This is called public association or export association. If you want to see what is the corresponding SQL query, every CDS view, you can also see what is the SQL query. So SQL statement. See, this is the SQL statement. Do you see any join? No, right? You do not see any join. You just select, and you do not see anything from flights. You see all these fields are from SPFLI. Sorry, you see all, yeah, S flight. You see all the S flight, not SPFLI. Nothing from SPFLI. Okay. So this is called public or exposed association. But here you just gave the complete association name. But if you give the corresponding field name, if you want to show few fields from this association, then it's no more on-demand join. The join will happen same as like join, the association will work same as the join, because you specified fields. So whenever the CDS output is going to show the output, it will consider those fields, it will join and show. If you want exposed association, you do not want to show any of the fields of the association, then you do not specify in field. Let me show you. I change this little bit. Now what I do, I'll put it instead of this, I'll put flights airport from flights airport to. Okay. Next, save, activate. If you see, because I specified individual field for the association, if you right click and see the SQL statement, you will find a join. You see, left outer join, many to one, because of that association one bracket we have written many to one. So this join was not there when only underscore flights was mentioned. As soon as I specified fields for those association name, the join got created. So that means now onwards, because specified fields, you consume these CDS, all the fields will show, no need to go to association. Let me run this one. Go to data preview, or let me activate it. Now, if I go to see the data preview, do you see airport from and airport 2 came? Okay. Airport from and airport 3 came. So right. But first time I did not come when you did expose association. Let's see, we follow the association. There's no association defined, which is gone because we specified specific field. The beauty is you should not specify any field, just make it public association or exposed association. As soon as you specify the fields, it is just like the join. You are going to join multiple tables and show the individual fields. That's all about association. Thank you all.